What's up, guys? And today I've got another YouTube video. I think some of yous might know about this, but it is a metallic gold fidget spinner. I don't think you can see that very well on the camera with her guys, sorry. Oh! Sorry guys, this is gonna take, well, anyways, this is metallic gold. And it's really beautiful. It's not that good on the camera though. And yeah, so I'm gonna be unboxing this today, and it's a fidget spinner work class home, and it's packaging is just slip it out like this, and then you just take it out and you can spin it in all ways. And yeah, I think it looks like a smiley face, upside down smiley face. It's very hard to see with the light, but there's easier to see the gold. So this is the packaging, what all fidget spinners have, I think. Some come with big metal ones, like gold and silver, but this spins for pretty long, and it's so smooth. Oh yeah, on the camera you can see lines, like, let's see if I can do tricks. I know I can do this. The thing is, because I've got my glasses on. Anyways guys, so this is my gold fidget spinner, and I got this off eBay, I think. No, I'm not sure. eBay or Amazon, and yeah, that's it. But it spins really smoothly. And I promised my friends I was going to get one. And please, can you go away, Hannah? Oh, with that, guys. Hannah, can we show them yours? Why not?
It's in my bag.
And then I'm going to go and get it.
Yeah, 4 hours. Go and get it. I'll have a tin of yours while you go and get it.
This is... It's so smooth. Just sit down at the camera.
Gold.
What's up, guys? Move, Hannah. This is Hannah's really nice gold one, and this is mine. No.
Mine's pink,
Pink.
not gold.
I knew I said something wrong there. They do work the same. I would say they're the same size as well. Oh, double fidget spinner. Oh, I think Hannah's is a bit bigger. Yeah. Double fidget spinner. Woo! So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today, and thank you for watching. And what I want to know, well, I don't want to know, but I do, but I don't, but I do, but I don't. But what I want to see, like, I know there's like probably around 9 people in my class who subscribe, but I don't know the other people. Oh God, sorry, Pebbles. I don't know the other people And it's just, I'm not saying just do it. I'm just saying, like, how am I getting so much subscribers? Like other YouTubers. Not so much, but I've got enough, okay. So, bye guys, thank you all for watching, and please like and subscribe.